Yo guys, what's up? How's it going? Markets have been kind of erratic lately. So what I want to do, I want to put some insurance into my portfolio and hedge a little bit against all this volatility that's going on and potential market problems down the road. So you can see here, what I like to do is I like to play the VIX. You've probably seen it in my another account that I have. I was put some options, VIX options. Not really a long-term thing, so I don't recommend holding them long-term. But in this case, I'm looking out into June. I don't think this low volatility can last forever, so I'm going to sell the 10. I'm going to sell put at 10, and this basically tracks the VIX. It's one of the market products that are out there. It's a good one to trade. I like it. Of course, this is not investing advice. I'm not an investment advisor. So, just some guy on the internet. So I'm going to finance with buying these two calls. So let's go back and look at the chart. All right, we're looking at the weekly chart. If we look back in March of last year, you can see it really spiked up. But there's been little spikes here and there of the volatility. So it looks like when it gets pretty down to a low level, it's around $10 or so. We're due for a little correction. So this is just a little hedge insurance that I like to put in my portfolio from time to time. So you can see I'm buying a couple options here and financing it. I'm still going to make some money on it. Look, I can still make $1.28. And I'm going to do actually 3. So what I'm going to do here, hopefully I'll be able to make some of this back with those call options. We'll out until June. That's a pretty long time frame. So that'll be good. So let's submit this. And you can see I'm getting a credit. So that's good. Doing 3. See, my maximum loss is $2,600. Getting a credit, $384. Let's view the order. Didn't go through. So I'm just going to trim a little off. Get it more towards the actual. Let's try 123. Alright, looks like that filled. Alright. Let's go check the positions. So you now see the VIX. I have a couple longs, but that was from a while ago. And this is some more insurance that I had. You can see I haven't really lost a lot, but I still have insurance just because, right? It's always good to have an insurance policy on your money. I mean, especially when you have a significant investment like this, you don't want it to just go to zero. Oh, let's go back to the position, sorry. Here we have Cleveland Cliffs. Looks like that stock has dropped. Looks like that call is out of the danger for now. Also, we have a couple up days. Disney, we're still not at 50% profit, so I'm not going to close that yet. But we're getting close. The Norwegian Cruise Lines has dropped past couple days. And it looks like that call is out of danger now, so if it gets to a certain point, I might close it out when I get down there. We'll see how that goes. You can see the interest rates have been inching sideways. They were up a little, then they're down a little, or up a little. So I put a spread on. This is yesterday I did this, and it looks like it's doing okay. We're falling right in the middle, so it's perfect if it just stays at this price. I'd be loving that. So you can see here, The Tesla that I put on yesterday has already lost me 30%. That's great. Typical Tesla. That's why I got out originally. It was very volatile. I couldn't handle the volatility. Like I said before, I sold it at like 200, and I should have held tight. But just with the report out from Kathy Wood, and sounds like a good long-term thing. And we'll see how this works out the rest of the week. I might end up rolling this or managing it later in the week on Thursday or Friday. So stay tuned for that. All right, guys. Just it's not investment advice. I'm not an investment advisor. This is for entertainment purposes only. But you might want to get some insurance at this point in your portfolio. Things are kind of uncertain out there on which way things are going to head. So stay tuned tomorrow for my next options trade. Thanks for watching.